typically Jamaican issue, because I tell you, say, you know, a whole heap of things going on in Jamaica where we don't really understand and we can cooperate with it, because all these issues and all these things what all these people have been saying and doing, and then yet said, we citizens in Jamaica, we are the bad breeds. We are this, we are criminal, we are all sort of bad things. We don't like it. But the point is, and the issue is, what about the high society people and what them have as this rich people, Mr. Goody Goody, Mrs. Goody Goody, and say them nah do nothing. And when you check all of these issues and all of these places, them a give we poor people in a Jamaica problem. Yes, so I try to show them. And we not in no foolishness because we don't like it. So me don't understand. I don't understand.
I don't lie. Oh God. Search. Me I tell about this country, yo. Oh God. Every night me go me bed, me pray. Pray.
To God. And in our work.
One day, Afi, continue pray.
Sister, pray.
Yes, me not a pray.
Show spam my foot.
Pray. Sorry.
Jamaica.
Pray. Pray.
Me marina.
Pray.
Me shots.
Everything. Pray. Pray, youth. Oh God, for this country be a better country. Amen, my brother.
Pray for me.
Me not stop.
Pray for Jamaica.
Oh God,
pray for House of Parliament.
Oh yes.
Pray for White House.
Yes, my brother.
Yes. I must get the message for good.
Yes.
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 From down we need
Blessings.
now down here. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, that work. Me feel it more. Get up it. Pray. 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 Woo!
I feel the spirit.
Woo!
I feel the spirit.